if Samsung's triple folding phone will really hit the market this year. The world of smartphones is buzzing with excitement as Samsung is reportedly working on a game-changing device, a triple folding phone. Imagine a phone that can unfold into a tablet-like experience, offering users a massive screen without the need for a separate device. The potential impact on the smartphone market could be significant, with many enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the possibility of getting their hands on such innovative technology. Folding phones have been around for a while now, but they still come with some significant limitations. One of the main issues is durability. Can these devices withstand the wear and tear of daily use? We've seen several instances of folding phones breaking or developing screen issues after just a few months of use. For a triple folding phone to succeed, Samsung needs to address these concerns and ensure that their device can keep up with the demands of everyday life. The technology behind folding screens is undoubtedly impressive, with companies like Samsung investing heavily in research and development. Patents and rumors have been surfacing, giving us a glimpse into what Samsung's triple folding phone might look like. Some leaks suggest that the device could feature a unique design with multiple hinges, allowing it to fold in various ways. However, as exciting as these rumors are, it's essential to separate fact from fiction and not get too carried away with speculation. Several credible sources and industry experts have weighed in on the possibility of Samsung releasing a triple folding phone soon. Some believe that the company is indeed working on a device that could launch as early as this year. While there's no concrete evidence to confirm this, it's undeniable that Samsung has been making significant strides in the field of foldable technology. The anticipation is building, and many are eagerly awaiting an official announcement from Samsung. In conclusion, the prospect of a Samsung triple folding phone is undoubtedly exciting, but it's also fraught with challenges. From durability concerns to technological hurdles, there's a lot to consider. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's quickly recap the main points. Share your thoughts on the triple folding phone in the comments below. Are you excited about the prospect of such a device? Or do you think it's still a long way off? If you missed my previous video on Samsung's latest innovations, be sure to check it out, and I'll catch you all in the next one.